IELTS Listening, Mastering the Basics. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving deep into the IELTS listening section. If you're preparing for the IELTS exam, mastering the listening component is essential. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what to expect and how to approach it. The IELTS listening section is designed to assess your ability to understand spoken English in various settings and situations. It's the same for both the academic and general training modules, which means everyone will tackle the same type of listening tasks. The IELTS listening test comprises 4 sections, each with its unique context. 1. Section 1, a conversation between two people set in an everyday context, e.g., arranging a hotel booking. 2. Section 2, a monologue set in an everyday context, e.g., a speech about local facilities. 3. Section 3, a conversation between up to 4 people set in an educational or training context, e.g., a university tutor and a student discussing an assignment. 4. Section 4, a monologue on an academic subject, e.g., a lecture. You'll encounter various question types, such as multiple choice, matching, plan, map, diagram labeling, form, note, table, flow chart completion, sentence completion. The entire listening test will last about 30 minutes, but you will have an additional 10 minutes at the end to transfer your answers to the answer sheet. Always be attentive and ensure you manage your time wisely. For scoring, each correct answer earns you 1 mark. The total score will then be converted to the IELTS 9 band scale. It's essential to avoid careless mistakes, as even minor errors can impact your band score. 1. Stay calm and focused. The recordings are played only once. Keep your concentration sharp. 2. Practice active listening. Engage with the content. Anticipate what a speaker might say next to stay ahead. 3. Read questions carefully. Before each audio starts, you'll have some time. Use it to read the questions and understand what's expected. 4. Watch out for distractions. Sometimes, the test tries to confuse you with similar-sounding words or phrases. Stay vigilant. 5. Transfer answers carefully. During the 10-minute transfer time, ensure that your answers are clear and correctly numbered. That's a wrap on the IELTS listening section overview. Remember, consistent practice and familiarizing yourself with the test format will boost your confidence and performance. Best of luck with your preparation, and we hope this video has been enlightening. Until next time, happy studying!